Hey everyone, this is going to be the first video in my lecture series on quantum computing. So I thought I'd break down kind of two things. Firstly, what is quantum computing? Well, the simple answer is using quantum physics to make computers faster. So this sort of begs the question, what is quantum physics? Well, quantum physics is the science of very small things. And by very small, I mean things like atoms, molecules, and things even smaller, so subatomic particles. So that's sort of what it is. And why should you care? Well, the answer is we think that quantum computers can solve some problems much more efficiently than classical computers. So an example of this is factoring. So this is taking some number, say 200, and writing it in terms of other smaller numbers until we can't go any smaller. So I could write this as 100 times 2, which is 50 times 2 times 2, which is 5 times 5, 2 times 2 times 2. Turns out this is really hard to do on a classical computer, but quantum computers can do it quite efficiently. So this is it. So kind of next thing I want is who is this course for? Well, and the answer to that is anyone. I'm going to assume very little background. In particular, I'm not going to assume you know any quantum physics, and I'm not going to assume you know very much maths at all. The only maths you would kind of need to know is kind of high school algebra. So kind of familiarity with adding numbers, subtracting numbers, solving some very basic equations, nothing too scary, kind of hopefully accessible to as many people as possible. So finally, how is this course structured? Well, the first bit we're going to do is do the maths. So to really talk about quantum physics, we need some more maths. So we're going to introduce everything we need. So we're going to start with some set theory. Then we're going to build up some complex numbers. And then finally, we're going to do some linear algebra. We need all three of these things to describe quantum mechanics. But don't worry, despite their names, they're not very scary, and we're going to teach you everything you need to know. And then once we've done the maths, we can actually learn some basic quantum physics. This will put us to the point where we can finally do real quantum computing. So hopefully you stick around and enjoy it. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them below. And I hope to see you in the next video.